Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete empty rows in LibreOffice Calc. So if you want to do it, first you need to use shortcut Ctrl A to select all columns and rows. And after that we need to go to Data tab, and here we need to select this one option, AutoFilter. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl Shift L if you want. So I click somewhere here. You may see this one information: the range does not contain column headers. Do you want the first line to be used as a column header? So I click yes, and now I need to click on name, and how you see we have here selected names. One of them is empty. So I recommend you to uncheck all boxes here, and then I select only empty. Now we need to click on this one option, show only the current item, and now I click OK. After that, you will be able to check your numbers of empty rows. So for example, I select them all and I click right mouse button here and I click delete rows. Now you can go back to name settings and I click all to select all boxes here. Then I click OK, and how you see empty rows have been successfully deleted from LibreOffice Calc. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.